Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some unique truck designs that we think you'll love to see. Make sure to stick around to see how they designed a truck around carrying horses. First up, we have the BV206, a custom-built vehicle that you can drive across the jungles, deserts, and even in deep waters. It has two units, one for driving and the other for carrying loads. Both units have a tracked undercarriage so that they can be run on rough and uneven roads without losing balance. The pontoon systems are included to make this vehicle fully amphibious. Installing each pontoon unit increases its flotation power to carry 2 more tons to cross deep waters with more load. Generally, railway tracks are built far away from roads. Thus, it takes a lot of time to transport necessary equipment to the site of railway construction. Thanks to COMASFER, the company built a unique road rail welding vehicle. It has a dual undercarriage system that enables it to run on both road and railway tracks. The vehicle carries a welding unit that joins 2 rails by a process known as flash butt welding. Overall, the vehicle concept looks simple, but it saves both time and money. In road construction, spreading the aggregate is considered one of the most time-consuming processes. However, if it's done by using Boral, this becomes very easy. The Boral truck just needs to be filled once. Its spreader unit is computer-controlled and gives 100% accuracy while delivering aggregate on the road. That ultimately saves time and money. The machine provides a 2.5 meter to 3.6 meter working width and is suitable for all gravel aggregates ranging from 4 to 14 millimeters. Next, we have some water trucks designed and built by AMAG. These are suitable for transporting and supplying water in road construction. For water filling, you just have to take them near any open water source. With a powerful suction pump, these can refill themselves with 18,000 liters of water in just 6 minutes. The AMAG trucks can spray from 0 to 12 meters directly from the driver's cab. This enables precise water dosing in the area of tapering streets, driveways, and repair lots. When it comes to carrying heavy materials over rugged terrains, crawlers work much better than a machine on wheels. That's why Bergmann equipped their dumpers with crawling undercarriage systems. It is equipped with a hydrostatic transmission system that delivers maximum power, optimal weight distribution under any load, and a hydraulic parking brake for a sure-footed grip. These features make the dumper remain stable even on steep inclines, making it perfect for mining. You're now looking at two green sewer jetting trucks, which are called the PİOS Hulk. They named it as such because these trucks combine two engineering marvels: cutting-edge equipment designed by PİOS and a state-of-the-art truck made by man. These are being used for cleaning clogged sewer lines where flushing and thrusting actions are required. This is accomplished by a high-pressure water hose and a sewer jetting nozzle. For years, CUYPERS has been transporting containers using Volvo FMX trucks. These trucks can deliver multiple containers at once. The Volvo FMX has a 522 horsepower engine and an I-shift transmission. This allows the truck to tow 4 trailers and pull 8 containers at once. Each trailer includes an automatic coupling mechanism for the driver's convenience. Each coupler holds each container and enables the driver to mount or dismount them from the cab. The Aries is designed to be used in emergency situations. Due to its 8-meter reach and large staircase, an entire squad may enter a building directly from the 2nd or 3rd floor. Commandos can even infiltrate an Airbus and surprise the hijackers using the Aries system. It is designed with team tactics in mind, allowing multiple operators to work alongside one another during an operation. This tactical system is more lightweight, faster, more robust, and capable of reaching greater altitudes than any other ETS. Most importantly, it is the most secure and effective elevated tactical system ever created. Next, we have a unique trailer that is designed for the film industry. It carries actors' vehicles and mimics the driving behavior of a broad range of vehicles as naturally as possible. The trailer is designed so that certain features disappear during the filming process. For example, the track width of the rear axle is just 1.35 meters, which visually vanishes behind the vehicle. Now we have the Stephex Horsetruck. It's much like a vanity van for horses, as the entire truck is air-conditioned and has a cozy space to accommodate 4 horses. Your horse can relax on the padded floor and can enjoy its favorite food from truck food storage. The truck is used to transport sport horses, such as for show jumping and polo. Moreover, the front half of the truck has a shower, kitchen, laundry, television, and a double bed for the driver. In short, the Stephex is loaded with luxury to provide comfort for all of its passengers. Up next, we have a customized vehicle that is used for road cleaning. It has a 6,500-gallon tank and 2 separate hot boxes. These boxes can heat the water up to 90 degrees Celsius. Water usage while cleaning is also endlessly changeable using the joystick. The brush heads are pneumatically controlled and individually adjustable. As a result, it varies between 10 and 40 liters every minute. This unique cleaning technology enables such low and high pressure cleaning without additional equipment. Lastly, we would like to introduce you to a truck that is customized to provide bank services. It has an ATM, 2 external accountant receptions, and a bank manager office. To carry out its function safely, the mobile bank has an FB4 Plus level of shielding, bulletproof glass, and a closed-circuit camera system monitored 24 hours a day. The unit also has an air conditioning service, sanitary facilities, a staff cabin, 2 armed guards, and a safe for storing money. Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.